For years, drivers have whispered a simple fuel hack that promises more mileage with less money. A secret mix, petrol and diesel, combined in one tank. But what if this shortcut is not a solution, but a silent mistake hidden behind a powerful myth? For decades, drivers in different parts of the world have shared a belief that mixing petrol and diesel in the same fuel tank can increase vehicle mileage. This idea has circulated through roadside conversations, informal workshops, and more recently, social media. At first glance, the logic may seem simple. Petrol burns quickly and diesel burns slowly, so some assume that combining the two might create a more efficient fuel. But automotive history and engineering science tell a very different story. Petrol and diesel are fundamentally different fuels, designed for entirely different engine technologies. Petrol engines rely on spark ignition, where fuel vapors are ignited by a spark plug, while diesel engines use compression ignition, where fuel ignites under intense pressure and heat. These systems evolved separately over more than a century of automotive development, each optimized for a specific type of fuel. Mixing petrol and diesel disrupts this design rather than improving it. Historically, experiments with mixed fuels have occurred only in controlled laboratory or wartime fuel shortage conditions, and even then results showed reduced efficiency, higher emissions, and increased engine wear. In real-world driving, adding diesel to petrol lowers the fuel's volatility, causing incomplete combustion, rough engine performance, and carbon buildup. Adding petrol to diesel reduces lubrication, which can damage fuel pumps and injectors that rely on diesel's natural oil-like properties. Modern engines, especially those built after the 1990s, are even more sensitive, using precise fuel injection systems that cannot adapt to contaminated fuel. Studies and manufacturer data consistently show that mixed fuel does not increase mileage. Instead, it often leads to knocking, misfiring, loss of power, higher fuel consumption, and long-term mechanical damage. In many documented cases, vehicles required costly repairs after accidental fuel mixing, reinforcing the fact that efficiency is achieved through proper combustion, not fuel blending. The persistence of this myth reflects a broader truth about human behavior. When fuel prices rise, people search for shortcuts. But automotive progress has always moved forward through engineering innovation, not improvisation. True mileage improvement has historically come from better engine design, higher compression ratios, improved aerodynamics, lighter materials, and more efficient driving habits. From the earliest internal combustion engines of the late 19th century to today's advanced hybrid systems, one rule has remained constant. Engines perform best when they use the fuel they were designed for. Mixing petrol and diesel does not increase mileage. It compromises safety, efficiency, and reliability. In the history of engines, progress has never come from guesswork. It has come from understanding, precision, and respect for design. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the truth is clear. The right fuel in the right engine has always been the smartest way forward.